how to set up and use TikTok widget on an iPhone in 2024. So the first thing you want to do is have TikTok downloaded on your iPhone. And once you've done that, you then want to hold down on any space on the home screen on your iPhone. You then want to go to the top left-hand corner and select the plus button. You then want to select your widget, which is TikTok, in the top left-hand corner for me. And here it will come up with a list of options for the widgets of TikTok. So if I wanted TikTok rewards, trending, if I wanted the search bar, keep going towards the end, and here you are. Now, all you have to do is go to the bottom and select Add Widget. And there you go. That'll be the search widget for TikTok on your homepage. You then want to tap the space once. If you want to move it around, you can hold it down, click Edit Home Screen, and you can move it about wherever you like. Okay, now this will help you with a few clicks instead of having to go through the TikTok app. If you want to search for something, you can type it in and you'll go straight to the corresponding page on TikTok. If you want to follow someone, you can go to following, or if you want to post something, it'll take you there as well. And that's how you use the search widget for TikTok on an iPhone.